Hey guys, what's going on? I have had several requests to do kind of an update on my camper cargo trailer build. If you're not familiar with this, I took a 5x8 cargo trailer. I had them build it from the factory shorter, like a foot shorter than what it would originally be, and I built it into an off-the-grid tiny camper. This is the third year that we've had it. Since the build was complete. The first year we used it a lot, last year we used it a couple times, and sadly this year we have yet to use it. It's going into, so it's in the middle of September now, so hopefully we'll get some fall camping in with it. Life kind of just got in the way this past year and we didn't get to use it, and I've had to do some repairs on it. I'm going to kind of take you through that. First off, thanks to Philip 20 and Bobby over at Bobby Solar Homestead, I was able to get all my solar issues lined out. When I first put the solar system on, I had some issues with charge controllers, and we were able to figure out kind of what it was. I really don't think that we figured out what it was, but we fixed it. So a big shout out to them. I'll leave links below to their channels. So let's go into kind of what happened. The end of last year, or last winter rather, I noticed some wood that was kind of punked, rotten on one of the windows. So I got to further investigation, and apparently I had a pinhole in one of my outside seals, and it had been leaking for quite some time. So I'll go inside. It's cooling off right now on the inside. It's over 100 degrees, and I got the AC running, so I can go in there and show you that. So I pulled the window out, I recaulked it, and so far we've had heavy rains, especially with the hurricane that came through. No leaks, so that's good. I'm not done much in the back in the way of needing repairs or anything like that. There is a switch back here for my 12-volt under lights that I need to mount. And I really have to do something with this door. We didn't think about it, and I guess I assumed that they would have it swing out the other way because the door's on that side. But the door is in the way. So when we camp, we swing that door out, but we also put like one of the Coleman pop-up tents over it. So anytime you want to come to the back, you have to walk around this door right here. And I've looked and tried to figure out a way. I cannot make it easily open on the other side. So the only thing that I think is possible is to remount the hinges up here and make it flip out. So I don't know if I'm going to tackle that this year or wait. I'll probably just wait on that. Okay, I don't know if you can see because of the lighting, but I have that's a very cheap charge controller. It's actually the cheapest one that I could find online, mainly because I wanted to make sure it wasn't going to blow another expensive charge controller. And I've had that one on for several months, probably 6 to 8 months, and it has worked perfectly. I have a very small system, 200 watts, that runs all my lights, my pump for my sink, and my refrigerator. 100 and some amp hour battery, and it does fine. So no complaints there now that we have it charging. Okay, now to the inside. I have the mattress pulled out right now, and I have the bed in the couch position. This bed, I built it to slide out, so have it in the couch position. I have it in the couch position so I can do work on this window. Like I said, I pulled it out and cut all the rotten wood out and pulled the insulation out. Went to the outside and recaulked it, and then I just caulked all the way around the inside. I took all the old caulk and silicone I had and just piled it in there, so that it's guaranteed, or I wouldn't say guaranteed, but it's less likely to leak. I don't think on the other side I've had any leaks. I don't see any issues with that. And I also went to the bottom of the window where the catch, I wouldn't call it the catch pan, but the lip is, and drilled more holes so the water would run out. So in here, pretty much all I gotta do is throw the insulation back in and put the wall covering back on, and then trim it out. I'm gonna use a different trim. Used to I had a metal bezel that come with the window, but I'm actually gonna do some wood trim. And then just kind of over here, I'm going to put a new trim piece right here, and over here on this window just put the other wood trim. It's held up great on the inside. I hadn't had any issues with cracks in the walls or anything like that. It is Luan, so I didn't expect any cracks in the walls, but I have had some shrinking and expansion in the trim, the upside trim, like right in through here. So I'm going to address that as well. So that's probably about it for an update. I'll probably bring you back when I get this installed, or I might do a video of the install of that. I don't know yet. So, as always, thanks for watching.